Antechinuses are tiny little marsupials, about the size of a gerbil, but with a bizarre reproductive system. The males have sex until they die from organ failure. Yeah. There are about 15 species of Antechinus, and all have the same deadly mating system. Their breeding season is a frenzied period lasting for just 2 to 3 weeks. During this time, the males don't even sleep in order to have as much sex as possible, going for up to 14 hours at a time in the hope of passing on their genes. Once the breeding season ends, all the males drop dead. Not surprising. I think I'd probably drop dead too. Males die as a result of stress and exhaustion. During that mating window, testosterone and the stress hormone cortisol surge in their tiny little bodies. The increase in testosterone prevents them from processing the cortisol, causing organ failure and death. Some male Antechinuses survive, but this is very rare. Males stop making sperm before the mating season, and their testes disintegrate, so they're not even using energy on that during the mating period. But they can never reproduce again, even if they do live. They're going to be pretty friggin' tired. During the mating season, sperm is stored in the epididymis and is constantly lost in urine. So they have a very brief window to mate before infertility and death. But here's a positive. The Antechinus mass mortality event provides an interesting opportunity. Fresh food for the pregnant females, and any males that manage to survive the sex fest. Females take the opportunity to cannibalize their own males. In areas where different species of Antechinus overlap, females may also feast on males from other species. Each species may benefit from eating dead males of the other. Males from one Antechinus species may feed on those from another if the timing of their breeding seasons allows it. For the later breeding species, both sexes may take the opportunity to cannibalize the dead males of the earlier breeding species. This helps them to stack on weight and build up some energy before they, get to it. Gestation in females lasts between 25 and 35 days, after which the undeveloped young move to a pouch on their mother's abdomen to grow for another 50 days. As I said, they're marsupials. Once the young are independent, at about 3 months of age, the cycle starts again, with Antechinuses reaching sexual maturity at around 8 months. 8 months of life, and then you have sex until you die. And then you get eaten. Probably by the female you just had sex with. Nice.